Buying Bitcoin at $8,000 or $9,000 won't matter in 2 years. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Nick Shong at News BTC and brought to you by the BitBlockBoom Bitcoin Conference coming to Dallas, Texas. The past few weeks have seen Bitcoin stall in the $9,000 range as bulls failed to maintain the pressure they applied starting after the March crash. With indecision in the Bitcoin market and global markets, investors, they've been deliberating purchasing Bitcoin in the $9,000 range or waiting for a retracement to buy the dip. Now, according to a prominent executive and fund manager, accumulating at these prices are a bit lower doesn't matter when viewing Bitcoin with a macro lens. Matt DSouza is a hedge fund manager and the CEO of Bitcoin mining startup Blockware Mining. And he recently remarked that the game for Bitcoin investors should be accumulating, not timing each short-term move, saying that Bitcoin at $8,500 versus $9,300 has zero relevance, when the objective should be capturing a market cycle over the next 18 to 36 months that could reach $20,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 plus. DSouza is touting the long-held narrative of Bitcoin maximalists, which is not to trade, but to hodl instead. The idea goes that due to Bitcoin's volatility, it's better to dollar cost average into your investment rather than trying to predict every 5 to 10% swing to maximize your gains. DSouza added, short-term scalping is a distraction. It'll lead to missing the big move. The real money is made in the sitting. Now, holding Bitcoin is critical, and dollar cost averaging smoothens your cost basis. DSouza's comment was predicated on the sentiment that Bitcoin will rally exponentially in the coming years. Now, I have to admit, I am a big believer in holding on to my Bitcoin, which is better known as hodling. How about you? Do you hodl or do you trade? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, as always. And just to let you know, this episode is brought to you by BitBlockBoom. The Great Bitcoin Conference is coming to Dallas, Texas in August. And I say Bitcoin Conference because Bitcoin is all we talk about. We don't talk about alt-chains or blockchain, just Bitcoin. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, take a look at bitblockboom.com. I hope I get to meet you in person at BitBlockBoom in Dallas this year. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.